Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by eliminating easy causes. Check router power and cables, and confirm LEDs show activity. Once done, open Device Manager and inspect the wireless adapter. Note driver version and error icons so you know if software or hardware is at fault. Next, disable VPN and unplug Ethernet to isolate Wi-Fi, and turn off adapter power saving and properties so Windows won't sleep the radio. These initial actions expose whether this is a driver, settings, or external router problem, so you can choose the right fix next. Now you tackle the middle, more technical fixes. First, update the wireless driver, download from the NIC maker or use Windows Update. Newer firmware often resolves disconnects. If that fails, reset network stacks. Run netch winsock reset and netch int IP reset from an admin command prompt, then reboot. On the router, change channel to 1, 6, or 11 to avoid interference and switch between 2, 4 GHz and 5 GHz to test stability. Make sure to reboot both PC and router after each change so you can see which step fixed it. To finish, apply advanced tweaks that resolve lingering disconnects. Assign a static IP and reliable DNS 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 if DHCP drops addresses. Then adjust adapter advanced options, lower roaming aggressiveness, lock 802. 11 mode to prevent constant band switching, or enable HT/VHT for better throughput. Once configured, reboot and verify stability. If you still see drops, here's the key troubleshooting tip. Test a different device on the same Wi-Fi.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.